segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Strategic marketing. The firm, instead of competing everywhere, often against superior odds, needs to identify the most attractive market segments that it can serve effectively. Strategic marketing has three elements: segmenting, targeting, and positioning. Market segmentation. Markets consist of buyers. Buyers differ in one or more respects. They differ in their wants, resources, geographical location, buying attitudes, and buying practices. Any of these can be used to segment a market. Segmentation stages. Segmentation is done in three stages: the survey stage, the analysis stage, and the profiling stage. Surveys are done in three steps. Step 1: understanding the issues that need to be clarified. Interviews and focus group methods are used to understand the motivations, attitudes, and behavior of prospective buyers. Step 2: a questionnaire is prepared based on this understanding to collect data on attributes, importance ratings, brand awareness, brand rating, and attitudes towards the product category. The questionnaire also captures the demographic, psychographic. The third step in the survey stage is administration of the questionnaire. Administration involves distributing the questionnaire to targeted respondents, having them filled up, and collecting them from the respondents. The analysis stage. Statistical analysis is done to identify clusters of respondents that are homogeneous internally but different from other clusters. Profiling stage. Each cluster is profiled by distinguishing attitudes, behavior, demographics, psychographics, and media consumption habits. Geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation divides the market into geographic units such as countries, states, and cities. Demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation divides the market according to demographic variables such as age, gender, family size, income, family life cycle, occupation, education, religion, race, and nationality. Psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation divides the market according to psychographic variables such as social class, lifestyle, and personality. Behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation divides the market according to behavior patterns such as occasions. On what occasions do they need to buy the product? Benefits. What benefits are they seeking from the product? User status. Ex-users, current users, potential users, non-users, first-time users, and regular users. Usage rate, light, medium, or heavy users. Loyalty status, hardcore loyals, they buy the brand all the time. Soft loyals, they are loyal to 2 or 3 brands. Shifting loyals, they shift their loyalty from one brand to another and then remain loyal to the new brand. Switchers, They are not loyal to any brand and buy based on the best deal available at that time. Buyer readiness stage. This segmentation variable is based on whether the buyer is unaware, aware, informed, interested, desirous, or intending to buy.